Looking for the finest extra virgin olive oils of 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best EVOOs you can buy, from rich, peppery blends to smooth, cold-pressed perfection. Whether you're cooking, dipping, or drizzling, these oils deliver unmatched flavor and quality. Don't miss our number 1 pick. Links to all products are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 5. Mr. Papou's extra virgin olive oil is a premium, first cold-pressed product straight from Greece, offering a smooth, fresh, and authentically Mediterranean taste. Packaged in a generous 3-liter container, 101 fluid ounce, it's ideal for daily cooking or drizzling. This 100% Greek never-blended oil is certified extra virgin, ensuring top-tier quality and purity. The flavor is light yet distinct, perfect for enhancing salads, pasta, or dipping bread. Customers love the thoughtful packaging that allows easy transfer to smaller bottles without mess. Many highlight its subtle aroma and the satisfaction of supporting a genuine family-owned business. Whether you're a home cook or a food enthusiast, Mr. Papou's delivers exceptional value and taste, true to its roots. Number 4. Iliada Kalamata PDO Extra Virgin. Olive oil is a multi-award-winning olive oil that brings rich flavor and authenticity straight from Greece. Made from 100% monovarietal Koroneiki olives, cold-pressed within 24 hours of harvest, this oil is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols for both taste and health benefits. The aroma is vibrant with hints of green fruit, artichoke, and tomato, while the flavor is bold yet balanced, medium fruitiness with a peppery finish that elevates any dish. Certified PDO, it ensures traceability and quality from Kalamata, Greece. Chefs love it for its ability to enhance the natural flavor of ingredients. While it's a premium product, users find it a great value, especially considering its 3-liter volume. The oil's richness makes it a staple in cooking, drizzling, or dipping. Just be cautious when first pouring, do it over the sink. A standout choice for anyone seeking true Greek EVOO excellence. Number 3. Blueprint. Bryan Johnson Extra Virgin Olive Oil delivers a high-performance blend of health and flavor in every drop. This 2-pack of 750 milliliter bottles offers a peppery, smooth taste, crafted from cold-pressed olives with over 400 milliliters of polyphenols, ideal for the health-conscious. Rich in oleic acid, 67% plus, and with a low FFA, 0.3%, it supports heart health and anti-inflammatory benefits. Freshness is a priority, with early harvested olives in UV-protectant glass bottles to preserve nutrients. Whether you're drizzling over veggies, using it in dressings, or sipping daily for wellness, this oil stands out. Reviewers love its spicy complexity, transparency in sourcing, and clean ingredient profile. One even recommends a wine bottle sealer to maintain freshness after opening. If you're looking for a premium alternative to traditional oils, free of additives and packed with antioxidants, Blueprint EVOO is a top-tier choice for everyday use or serious wellness routines. Number 2. Partana Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil brings Sicilian tradition straight to your kitchen in its iconic red 3-liter tin. Pressed within 4 hours of harvesting hand-picked Castelvetrano olives, this unrefined, first cold-pressed oil captures unbeatable freshness and purity. The flavor opens buttery and fruity, then finishes with a gentle, peppery lift that brightens everything from sautéed vegetables and roasted meats to crusty bread and pastries. Because the olives are grown, milled, and tinned by the same family that has tended Trapani groves for more than a century, traceability and authenticity are unimpeachable. The light-blocking tin preserves antioxidants and aroma long after opening, so every pour tastes like harvest day. Fans praise its delicate fruit notes and call it the best olive oil they've tried, and the generous 101-ounce volume makes the premium quality surprisingly economical for daily cooking. If you crave genuine Italian richness, Partana delivers in every golden drop. Number 1. Morocco Gold Single Estate. Extra virgin olive oil offers a premium taste of purity and tradition sourced from the Beni Mellal region of Morocco. Made exclusively from early harvested Pitoline olives, this unfiltered, unblended oil is rich in polyphenols, giving it a mild, fruity flavor and impressive health benefits. Hand-picked and cold-pressed within 24 hours, it maintains peak freshness and extra virgin quality. With 6 bottles, 500 milliliter each for the price of 5, it's an excellent value for those who appreciate traceability, transparency, and authenticity. Each bottle includes detailed harvest analysis results, so you know exactly what you're getting. Ideal for drizzling over salads, enhancing dips, or finishing grilled vegetables, its smooth taste and natural production process stand out. While one user reported a damaged seal in transit, others praised its value and clean flavor. For a trusted, high-quality olive oil rooted in heritage, Morocco Gold is a top-tier choice.